InstaCuppa Fruit Infuser Polar Edition. Freeze the ball for a few hours. You can take off the infuser rod or tube and infuse fruits in it, vegetables such as kiwi, carrots, cucumber and more. Use this method to make a healthy detox drink in just a few minutes. Then, you can attach the ice ball back in the rod. This is a removable gel freezer ball to keep your drink cold for hours. Designed for 1000 milliliter capacity, you'll love how much fruit and water this large bottle holds. Built with rubber lid cover that makes it leak-proof. Bring it anywhere along with its anti-sweat neoprene sleeve to make your infused water cooler for longer hours, as this helps in absorbing bottle sweat. The Eastman Triton material is BPA-free, so it's safe to use, odorless, and has no plastic aftertaste. Make protein shakes in minutes with the use of our stainless steel protein shaker ball. The rubber grip on one side and molded thumb grips opposite ensures a secure grip. Built with lock lid to ensure no leak gets out of the bottle. All of our detox bottle components are easy to clean and are top rack dishwasher safe. It also comes with a free cleaning brush. The water level markings will help get just the right amount of flavour and the right amount of nutrition. It also comes with flip-top zipper lid, ideal for on-the-go hydration. The rubber grip on one side and molded thumb grip opposite ensures a secure grip. InstaCuppa Fruit Infuser water bottle is definitely your perfect travel buddy.